All right, since I'm trying to film everything here, got another Mulletsport Racing customer in the garage here. Jason's been a long-time customer of a previous shop that I was at. When he noticed that I started my own company, he wanted to bring his car here, so he's been gathering up some parts. We're gonna do a CETE lowering module on it, 034 front and rear sway bars, 034 inserts in the rear subframe, 034 end links, and then a set of Nuespeed brake lines for it, get a brake flush, and get this family hot rod back to Jason. All right, sway bars on, brake lines are on, inserts are in, and the CETE lowering module is on. First start, here we go. Hopefully it works. Here we go, let's fire her up. Low washer fluid. We didn't touch that. All right, let's go through, get down to dynamic. Suspension's moving. No air codes on the dash. Let's freaking go, we did it! All right, we're gonna let the customer play around with the settings and set it where he wants. As you can see, kid seat in the back. This is his daily driver. This is a real family hot rod, all right? So let's go whip it around the block, just make sure we get no warning lights and everything's good to go. The burbles and pops on this thing are insane. The 034 sway bars totally woke this car up from being a daily driver to an absolute track monster, but all of the adjustable suspension allows it to be both. Let's see if we can get it to crackle. What do you say we give her a good old rip? This is a stage 291 034 tune car. Woo! Holy moly. This is a family hot rod. We are in dynamic mode, so it is a little bit more pronounced, the burbles. Love it. All right, everyone. It's late here, but we finished this family hot rod, and I'm excited to get it back to Jason. 034 sway bars, Nuespeed brake lines, 034 end links, 034 rear inserts, and that CETE, finally got it at the end of this video, module is installed. I'm gonna let the owner do the final settings in that, but she's all done. The Audi S4 V8 rear wheel drive.